Trading via XTB MetaTrader. Choose an instrument from the Market Watch window and double-click on it. You will be presented with a new window where you will be able to buy or sell the chosen instrument. For this tutorial, we will choose Euro versus US dollar. Please note that you can change the instrument in the symbol area. Also that you can choose the transaction type, instant execution versus pending order. Instant execution sends your order to the server for instant execution. You can decide whether to buy or sell before placing the order. A pending order is one where you select a price level which will initiate your order type once the market price reaches the level you have set. A second solution is to perform a right-click on the chosen instrument and proceed as in the previous example. A third solution is to trade directly from the chosen chart, in this example Euro versus US dollar, and perform instant trade via chart or set up both stop loss or buy limit. Note that while performing trades from charts, you must keep in mind that trade price and both stop loss and buy limit prices might have different value depending on your mouse cursor placement. Finally, you can also perform the trade by clicking on the New Order button located in the MetaTrader toolbar.